Okay, hello. We have a very special video for you today. We have a box.
Hello.
Here. Oh, who's that?
Hi.
Who's that?
It's me, Leon. Do you not recognize me? You're literally my dad.
Well, yes, but I'm just doing it for the sake of the viewers so that
Okay.
they will know who it is. What are we doing today?
So we did an unboxing one for his light king, but we're going to do something even better.
Do you know what this is?
No.
Do you know what it's called?
What?
A rollator.
Okay, we're going to unbox Daddy's new rollator.
Okay, now.
But he's not going to be able to go down the stairs with it.
Yes. Now we have, I don't know what tools we'll need. I got a knife to open the box and both types of screwdrivers. Leo, I don't think that you can use that. You shouldn't use that knife.
No, I'm just taking this.
Okay, got it. Okay, so let's start by looking at the parts.
Okay.
Okay.
We have to put it
Box.
together.
Yeah.
So this will be a very cool unboxing video, I guess. Really,
So why don't you tell the people what's been going on in our house in the last week or so?
Let's just talk about this morning
Okay, what happened this morning?
and last night.
Last night?
Well, they're both the same thing. I felt pretty sick. I barfed twice. And my tummy hurted, and I had a headache. And you get the idea.
Yeah. And I had to take him to the doctor.
Yeah.
And I've actually was having a little trouble walking because
Tummy still hurts.
I've been taking care of Leo a lot, and I have myalgic encephalomyelitis and
I
CFS.
feel like I gotta lay down because my tummy still hurts.
Oh, okay, you're sick. Why don't you lay down?
Yeah, I got me fever.
She's got, yeah, it's a pretty low fever.
Yeah.
Yeah, Leo's sick. Okay, he's gonna lie down. I'll keep on working on getting this open.
Yeah.
We might not have to. It's not ready to go.
I'll just get the parts you need. I'll just get the parts you need.
I don't know. I'm not. I think it will actually looks like it's already substantially assembled.
Whoa.
Okay, what are you seeing here, kiddo? What do you think this is for?
Hey, I see the part where you sit on.
Yeah, there's a chair. So I've been a little bit having a hard time recently, even so that with my cane, it's a little hard to walk.
Yeah.
Because, you know, when we go sick, you got to take care of them. And there's been a lot of sickness going around recently.
Yeah.
Plus, sometimes I don't do things like go to the store or pick up. Leo, how often do I pick you up? How many days a week do you think?
You did that, I think, 3 days.
3 days, she says. Yeah, I did 3 days in a row this week. But normally, I only pick up Leo maybe 2 days. Because I can get so tired, that's about all I can do. And I'd like to be able to pick him up almost every day. So we're trying to figure out what solutions are. Boy, I'd like to have scissors here, but I don't have scissors.
I'm glad that
Let's point this
we'll
away.
still be able to, like, go, like, pick me up.
Yeah, I'll be able to pick you up, kiddo. It's good exercise for me. It's about a
Not
quarter-mile walk, maybe
like
shorter, 3/8.
Yeah, I needed a little matzo ball soup from Mommy and some milk because the doctor said I needed some water, so I had some and a little lunch.
Here's a part.
Because I haven't eaten this since this morning. Hey, when are we going to start celebrating Hanukkah, Daddy?
Well, it's actually not
After the
Hanukkah yet.
video.
After the video, something.
Yeah. We're gonna, yeah. We did a video. Yeah, one of my family members asked us to make a video of us doing Hanukkah. I think it was Aunt Zana. I think it was Aunt Zana. Yeah. Aunt Susanna told us that to do that, so we did it. But we had to wear our masks since my mom had COVID then.
That's why we're so tired. But we didn't get
I
COVID.
got a very good present yesterday.
Yeah, what did you get?
Hanukkah. Some stuffies.
They were very cool.
Yeah, and soft.
Why do you like cell stuffies?
Because they're part of the body, and I love the human body.
Yep. Okay, this is a manual. I don't know if this is going to be like super hard. I think we're done with the knife, so let's put that high up and away.
Yeah.
Okay.
You almost got me.
Well, exactly. You need to move. Okay, we'll bring that
I
upstairs.
need putting my blankets here.
Here's a good thing. See, like even that was like a little tiring. Okay.
I'm tiring of me now.
So, the rollator is for rolling.
Whoa, you already got together that part?
Well, it really is mostly assembled. Not really sure how to do these. Oh, I bet that this screws in. This must screw in somewhere and control. Let's look at the manual. Where's the manual, Leah?
I have no idea.
Okay, we have it says drive on it.
I'm glad that my star blanket is here, because or else
So that's what we're making.
yeah.
Okay. First, remove all contents from carton. Okay, we did that. Open frame and slide padded backrest into frame brackets, making sure that the snap bottoms protrude through the holes. Not sure what that is. Remove tightening knobs from package. That's these guys.
Here's your tightening knob.
And insert handle tubes into frame at desired height.
Here's another one for you.
Thank you. Height adjustable.
Ooh, part of them is blue. Ooh, half of these is blue. Cool, man.
Okay, so where? Okay. Leo, these see how we can kind of put this in and out? One thing, there should also be this guy. Not sure what that purpose of it is.
I have no idea too.
Yeah. We're going to need to put these tightening knobs somewhere. Somewhere on here.
Hey, I found a little hole here.
Did you find a hole?
Yeah, I found a hole back here.
Doesn't seem to fit there. Here it is. It's on the inside here.
Okay. I know why I have a blanket, because
Why do you have a blanket?
still have that headache, and my tummy still hurts, and I still have my headache. I'm just gonna.
These go in this way.
I'm just gonna go. Okay.
You're going to your room?
No. You'll see.
Okay. And these go in. Tight somehow. And then we put the other one of these guys in. And we need the tightener. Oof. Okay.
I got presents.
Okay, so how high do we want this? It should be at my height, or my hands would naturally be like that.
So cold.
Yeah. Okay. So the purpose of this with the cane, this is a quad cane, 4-base support, a lot of support really. But if you're really, really, really energy limited, you want to use your entire upper body if you can. Unfortunately, I'm somewhat homebound. It doesn't feel like I should be using something like this. Like, I'm very active, I have my dance videos that I do. But the truth is I'm pretty homebound. Like, a lot of times it's very difficult for me to walk to the store even though it's not far away.
Yeah, duh. Could you have my object and Teflon my like this?
That's exactly
We
right.
mentioned that in our first ever video.
We did mention that. So this is designed so you can kind of walk like this. You see?
Yeah, I knew that.
This is great.
Hi. Oh, really?
I would definitely be able to walk to school like almost every day, I think. With this. Plus, I think that people would like.
There's some constellations in the sky. There's some constellations in the sky, everybody.
Okay, these seem to be brakes. Now, that also includes. You can also have the bag here for stuff, and let's turn it this way.
Oh.
A bag, you can put like a little bit of stuff in here, and then a seat. It says make sure that it's locked before you sit down. I'm not sure how to lock it. This is a brake, but I don't know how to lock the brake. I'll risk sitting down with unlocked brakes. Do not move the rollator while seated. Now, Leo, this is not a toy for rolling around and playing with, okay? Just like Daddy's canes. He knows that. So, you know, wherever you go, you're always going to be able to sit down. It's pretty nice. Haley, you have any final thoughts to say? What do you think about this product? It's about $60, $70 on Amazon.
It looks pretty good.
Yeah, I have on here.
Oh.
Drive.
Look, guys, I know.
Just
No.
Drive medical. Drive medical.
Hey, look.
It says what? No. It means no sitting and riding. No pushing someone. Like, don't put someone here and use it like a stroller.
Okay.
I wasn't planning to do that anyway. Okay, anything you want to say in conclusion, Leo?
So, pretty much, I think it's better than that cane. And happy Thanksgiving!
Happy
Bye! I mean, happy Hanukkah. Sorry.
Bye.